You show yourself now, man.
I'm ugly.
Blood clot.
Dingo!
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy DeAndreDingo here, back with another video. Now today on Ye, I was thinking about just going on there, right, and just using my Jamaican accent, talking to girls, just having fun with it. So that's pretty much what today's video is all about. But before we get started though, please make sure you like up this video and make sure you watch the whole entire video for your boy. Let's get it. Yo, what on? My girl, why you look on the camera like that for? You know, say you're ugly. I don't want to see a pimple.
Notice your face is breaking out.
I look on yours. Yeah, you know, see the idiot girl here. She said my face a break out, but yet still you have a fat pimple on your nose. You're bright. Hello? You're there on a Droid? Android, you there on? What kind of phone you there on? Android? I said, what kind of phone you there on? Android?
You said, do I have an iPhone?
I said, what kind of phone you there on? Android? You know understand? I said, what kind of phone you there on? Android?
But that's just how you talk.
Yes, I said, what kind of phone you there on? Android?
I don't know what the fuck you just said.
Get the fuck out of here! Get the fuck out!
Well, I feel like stupid stuff.
My girl, I said, what kind of phone are you on? Is it an Android?
We do not English.
Me bumbo clut. Yeah, idiot. So I broke it down and put it in English for the girl, and she still not understand. I gotta tell me, say, me no English. Yeah, idiot. Yo, what going Snow Bunny? You gon' cause you gonna sit there on your phone like you that type of girl to be doing that. Like you ain't all that. Like what you doing?
Oh, you from New York? I'm from New York too.
New York. You're something say you're from Newark, my girl.
Yeah, I'm from New York. I was in the plane.
Oh, both it said New York, and Newark are the same thing, my girl. Yeah?
At time.
Me did add time, but you know add time, you're too slow. What you mean? Lord clean. Oh the bros, yo, my girl go sit down now. You're a stick figure. You think say you have shape, you don't have no shape. Go sit down.
I can't understand.
Me not care. Me not care. Me not care. Me not care. I go on shorty, nice and brown and sexy. Yeah, me talk to you, my girl. Yeah, you're shiny and pretty. Yo, why you coming so close, boy?
Cause I couldn't hear you.
You heard me. You know what I hear me. I say you're nice and pretty, brown skin and sexy. Then?
What are you?
What am I? I'm human.
Yeah.
Just like you.
No. You have an accent.
You figure it out.
Are you Haitian?
Bumbleclad. No, I'm a Jamaican, my girl. Then? Wait there. You're there at the dorm? Why going light skin? You look at me like say you're confused.
She's Jamaican.
Oh, she's Jamaican? Alrighty now, sure. Yo.
Yo.
What going? Everything good?
Mm-hmm.
Show yourself to my girl. Let me see how you look, man.
I'm ugly.
That alright. Just show yourself.
I'm ugly.
But that alright. Just show yourself now, man.
I'm ugly.
Blood clot. You no lie, and a lie I tell. Jesus, come off. She never lie. Yeah.
Hey, we got to make up for her. That's what the
You don't know if you speak English, my girl. I hear, no her. What the fuck is a her? Here. Same type of ear. No her. Shorty gonna be like, you got the same type of her. Yo, wagwan. Mr. Wagwan, everything good? Hey, I time now to talk to another one. Let me talk to light skin girl. I time now. What do my girl look for me like so she don't know me. I say like so she's shocked. Yo, my girl, why you have a picture of peaches?
Because I am peaches.
You're not peaches. You're not big and look ugly, so.
I am.
No.
I am.
Hard time, let me talk to you. Hard time, no man.
Peaches, you could come.
What? Oh, damn, girl, you look. You know, so you look good, my girl.
What?
You look good. Add some time. Add some time.
Thank you.
You look nice. Who that? Your boyfriend?
That's my cousin.
Oh. Then,
You look like Marcelo from Real Madrid.
oh, really?
Marcelo, bro.
Nah, well, guess what, my man? That's not me. Shit. You know what I'm saying? But where you guys from, though? Where I come from?
We are from the Netherlands. Look.
Oh, nice.
I knew you.
No, you don't.
I knew you.
You don't know. You don't know me.
I knew you.
You wish.
I wish.
Yeah, you wish. You don't know me, my girl. Why you show me next month? I don't want to see next month.
Hello.
Hello? But we'll talk though. You know what I'm saying?
What?
I said we'll talk.
About what?
I knew you.
Shit. I know you. I know you. My girl, they look good enough.
What's up?
Nothing, I'm chilling. What's going on with you?
I'm chilling.
Where you from?
I'm from Germany. Where you from?
Shoot, I live in New York.
New York?
Yeah.
New York, Brooklyn, New York, Queens.
Nah, I'm living at Queens.
Queens.
Mm-hmm.
How old you is?
I'm 20.
20?
Mm-hmm.
Are you a Latino guy?
No?
Jamaican guy?
Yeah, me look Latino to you?
Huh?
Me look Latino?
No, but I was guessing because of your accent.
No, I'm Jamaican.
Okay. Since when you like in the States?
Huh?
Since when do you stay in the States?
Oh, long time, like years ago.
Years ago?
Yeah, like I've been living here for 11 years now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I fuck with your accent. It's very dope.
Huh?
I fuck with your accent. It's very dope.
Thanks. How old are you? Yo, why you something say you come from Bloomingdale?
What?
At time, you think say you come from Bloomingdale?
That's Georgia, also known as the U.S.
Bloomingdale, I know one damn store.
Not the store.
Well, me never know say one place named Bloomingdale, my bad.
Where are you from?
I live in New York,
Where are you from?
Jamaica.
I can tell.
So if you can't tell where you ask me where I come from, my girl.
Your hair.
You idiot?
You need to.
No, me not need fit nothing.
I need fixing, sir.
And you need to chop off that shit way up on your head.
No, my hair is fixed.
No, that look raggedy.
You look raggedy.
And you need to back up from the camera, you're too close.
Jamaican, you crazy.
What? Jamaica, you're crazy. That not even, yo, my girl, that don't make no sense. Who that? Your mother?
No, that's my cousin.
Oh, she look old though. Hello.
Hello?
Good morning.
Talk to him.
Yo, me can't see you, my girl. Oh, I time no one, let me talk to you, my girl. Oh. No, me then I say what go on. I like that. I like that. Good try. Good try. So, yeah. Where you come from?
I know that. Wagwan.
Where you come from? Where you come from?
I'm from Netherlands.
You from where?
Netherlands. She's Dutch. Dutch. You know what it is?
Yeah. Nice.
You're from America, right?
No, I'm not come from America.
Where?
I come from Jamaica.
No, but you live in America.
Yes, I live in America.
It's Morocco.
Eh? Minute. God. Okay. Yo, Wagwan, me youth.
Wagwan, bye.
Alright. See, you kind of fuck up, but alright. Man, over there clean them shoes. Clean the shoes, dog. Yeah?
You Jamaican, Chinese?
Yeah, Jamaican dogs. Yeah, man. Yo, what's going on?
You're on YouTube.
Me dey on YouTube. Yo, add time to my girl. I'm talk to you real quick, man.
You're on YouTube. You're on YouTube.
Yo.
Just accent.
Yo, show yourself to my girl. Let me talk to you, man.
Oh my God. Don't show me.
But yo, man, I try to talk.
YouTube?
Huh?
You're the one with the acne.
Yeah, me have acne. So what? What the fuck that mean? He's the one with the acne. Yo, what's going on?
What's up?
Everything good?
Everything chill.
Y'all live your life. I time to my girl. Let me talk to you real quick now, man. So, y'all live your life. Where y'all laugh for, man? What funny? What funny?
Nothing.
So where y'all laugh for? Me give you a joke?
No, I never said it was a joke. I was just looking at something, I guess.
Oh, can you just start laughing when I try to talk to you?
I'm not lying.
No, me I say you start laugh when me start talk to you. So me I say, well, go on, like, you know, what the joke?
So you want to talk to me?
No, y'all take it the wrong way, you know. Me don't want to talk to you. But I was talking to you.
Oh my God. I never said that. I'm saying like you just want to talk, right?
Yeah, I'm just a talk to you, see? So y'all laugh.
I could barely understand you, but okay. We'll go
Miss-
with it.
Alright, so where you come from, my girl?
Where do I come from?
Yeah, where you come from?
I was born in New York, but I live in Philly.
You live a dirty place. Like I got me can't talk to you.
Where you at?
You live a dirty place. Yo, Wagwan beautiful.
Gosh, are you from Jamaica?
No, I come from Guyana.
From where?
Guyana.
Oh, okay.
My Guyanese. My life? I come from a blood like Guyana. Yo, what's going on? Everything good?
Yes.
You live your life? All time to my girl, I'm talk to you, know? All time to man? Bro, like, she really trying to play me. Like, bro, I know you was not topping the shit. Yo, what going?
TikToking?
Why you asking me if I'm a TikToker?
What?
Why you asking me if I'm a TikToker?
You look like one.
How the hell a TikToker look? Bro, I'm tired of people asking me that, bro. They be like, yo, bro, you do TikTok? I be like, why you ask me that? They be like, you look like one. How the fuck I look like a TikToker, bro? That don't even make sense. Alyssa, what's going on, girl? Yeah, chilly. I live your life. I time now let me talk to you, man. Yeah? Yeah, where you come from? Virginia, you come from? Yo, I need to come to Virginia. Come look for you, my girl. Where you going?
Nowhere.
You just a fix it here?
Yeah.
Must be nice. You know what I'm saying? You ever been in New York?
Yes.
Trying to come back?
I don't know.
What you mean? You know, come back and see me. You know what I'm saying? You come back to New York, come see me. What you mean? Have a look of fun, you know? Go about, get something to eat.
What part?
Any part where you want to go. Anywhere you want to go.
No, what part of
Oh, Queens. I live at Queens, New York. City area. Yeah, you know. Pop out. You know what I mean? Y'all be acting too stush on this shit, man. Like, y'all keep talk to it, nigga. Feel? Yo, my girl, but your body flat.
What?
I say your body flat. A pancake around this, my girl. A pancake. Spin one more time, let me see. Come on. Yeah, get in the body. Yo.
What's up, TikTok?
What do you mean, TikToker? I'm not a TikToker.
I know you ain't.
So why
I'm
you?
just saying. But anyways, hello.
Yeah, hello. Like, what the fuck up, nigga? Yeah, I'm tired of people calling me too. He's a TikToker. I'm not a fucking TikToker, bro. Green bean. Ice green. Let me get a eat. Yo, what's going on, girl?
Should have put my hair, even though it's being in a braid all night.
You feel me pull it?
Nope.
What do you mean? Snatch it out of your blood clot. Just rub that shit on my eyes. Say, come here, girl. Ooh. Eating you, Isabel. I know she pretty. Ooh, damn, girl. I seen your name and I knew you was pretty. You know, say hello. Good girl. While I go on, I time to your name not Isabel?
My name's not Isabel.
Shit, I time now let me talk to you, my girl. What a bumper clot, man. Shit. Oh. You know, say you're too ugly already for be underneath the covers. So why would you do that to yourself? Come on now, man. You don't need to think and using a brain.